Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fill up your arrival card for Indonesia. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also would like to clarify is that please go ahead and subscribe right now. Okay guys. So guys, many countries nowadays have this online arrival card that you can fill up before arrival so that when you actually reach the border, your information is already in the system, because in the old days when you fill up paper cards, sometime you need to fill your form and sometime is required by the officer sitting at the counter to transfer the information manually from your card to the system. But for something like this, your information is already there in the system. Of course, officer can ask you questions, make edits. Those things are always possible. So in front of you, I have opened this All Indonesia website here. And now under arrival card, there are three options: Indonesian citizens, foreign visitor, and retrieve arrival card. So you need to do as per your own case. I'm going for foreign visitor, but if you're an Indonesian citizen, then you need to do like that. Okay. So what you can do, like you can go for scan MRZ and you can scan and get the information over there. But if you don't want to do that, you can also enter it manually. Okay, so I'm gonna enter manually, but yeah, it's possible to do that way also. So do it as per your own case, not your passport country. Online. Any information you enter here, guys, you have to check it two times, at least two times. Date of birth, as per your own case, country, place of birth, and make sure all this information match with your passport. Expiry. Happen, but I can do it from here. It's asking for the phone number and email address. Yes, email address is very important because that is where they will be sending you uh, the QR code and the information. So don't do something like this. Instead, do it properly. If you have more than one traveler, click on add traveler, like you're going as a group family, then you can. Then go to next. There a warning for what? Passport number. A sample, guys. Okay, I'm gonna put valid email and then I'm gonna see you in the next screen. Okay, now we are in tab 2, arrival date of to Indonesia. Select this one. Departure date from Indonesia, when you're gonna leave Indonesia. Okay, this also will see. Read as per your own case. Do you already have a visa first time? I select yes. Then put the number. Oh my god. Now let's go for next. Mode of transportation. Okay, how we are gonna come? I select let's say air. Purpose, let's say holiday, port of entry, type of air transport. Okay. If you have booked the flight, you have all that information, right? I don't have to tell you such things. If you have booked hotel, you have like hotel and other things, or like if you have your accommodation ready, you already have it, right? Just sample guys. Health declaration. You currently have following symptoms: fever, cough, runny nose. Country of origin: traveler that country visited within 21 days prior to arrival in Indonesia. Indonesia, more you can choose more than. I'm just selecting India, but yeah, if this in your case, if there are multiple countries, so provide honestly. Are you bringing any animal, fish, plants? No. Passenger crew baggage. Depend. Customer, the number of bags arriving with you. Let's say two. Do you carry goods that must be declared to custom? I select no. Yeah, as per your own case. Are you bringing mobile phone, handphone, tablet or purchased abroad that will be used in Indonesia on local cellular network? IMR registration required for foreign visitors staying under 90 days. So I select yes. Applicants, because you're going to carry phone. But if you're not staying under 90 days, then IMR registration is not required. But yeah, it's important to answer honestly and then submit. Of course, I'm not going to submit it, but you got an idea how to do this. Once you do this, you get the confirmation with QR. And then once you reach the portal, you can show it and it will expedite your entry. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.